sa kanila.
Ano yung ganyan magnakaw?
Ako po yung tinahilan.
Nina.
Ano nga?
Ninakaw.
Ano sila magkabit mo sa kasama?
Ninakaw.
Eh, bakit may bayad?
Yun na nga eh. Namimira nga sila eh. Pag hindi siya magbabayad.
I've been living with a shadow overhead. I've been sleeping with a cloud above my bed. I've been lonely for so long. Jumping the best, I just can't seem to move on. I've been hiding all my hopes and dreams away, just in case I ever need him again someday. I've been setting aside time with her a little squeeze corner of mine. All I want to do is find a way back into love. I can make it through without a way back into love. Whoa, I've been watching by the stars refuse to shine. I've been searching but I just don't see the signs. I know that it's out there. There's got to be something for my soul somewhere. I've been looking for someone to shed some light, not somebody just to get me through the night. I could use some direction, open to your suggestions. All I want to do is find a way back into love. I can't make it through without a way back into love. And if I open my heart again, I guess I'm hoping you'll be there for me in the end. Pero wala akong gusto.
Kasi kahilan mo sa
Talaga ito naman sa atin. Walang
There are moments when I don't know if it's real or if anybody feels the way I feel. I need inspiration, not just another negotiation. All I want to do is find a way back into love. I can make it through without a way back into love. And if I open my heart to you, I'm hoping you should be willing to do. And if you help me to start again, you know that I'll be there for you in the end. Whoa, whoa,
Malis sa harap.
whoa,
Dapat kumain yung nalinig ka ng ganang buhok. Tapos ganun na.
Grabe ah. Kapag-catch na din. Dami tuloy nag-ano. Dami tuloy nag-comment. Malalagyan mag-comment sa inyo. Sana marami nag-comment eh. Dami nag-comment ko na ako eh.
Daming pusing yung nalinig. Yan na.
Cute mo nga daw eh. Natin, makakain mo siya. So, may oras na eh. Gawin mo ng ano siya.
DJ Obi.
Loganisa.
Peace.